All right, so we're working in the shop today, and what are we doing? Petting the dog again. Oh man, as if that dog doesn't get enough pets. We are working on our old Nash. It's our 1954 Rambler. It's a two-door business coupe, just bare bones. Stella's like, I'm so tired of you filming, Dad. Can't you do something fun? Go take me to the park, take me for a walk. Well, we're not taking walks. We've got the car sanded down again completely with blocking and a DA to get in the tough spots. Found lots of mistakes. Still have like there's a dent right there I didn't see before, and there's a dent underneath here. Right there's a shallow dent. Look at my dent still. So I got this whole side heavy primed with slick sand. I'm going to go and block that again. We got the windows out. Both the front and rear window seals were really bad. The rear window seal is unobtainium. I'm trying to match something up from an old Toyota that's similar. So hopefully we can find something that has the same profile now that we have it out. I can just take the old seal like this and look at the end profile. Look how hard this is. It just cracks. It just snaps off. It's that hard. I just couldn't have that. So have a nice paint job. Need to have new rubber, even though there's nothing available for this car as far as that goes. The rear or the front windshield is available, and it's really strange. And it's not rusty, which is really good, but you can see this windshield seal has a square corner, well, not a square corner, a rounded corner, a square corner, and then a rounded corner. But it's got this kind of a cut on the edge there, which is a really odd shaped windshield seal. So I got to get down in here. There's a bunch of flaking paint. I've got to sand here, clean out my channels, get some primer in there. I got to clean out a mouse nest. Can you believe it? Those dirty dogs. Look at that. They've been living in my Nash. Oh, he's still there. You see him? There's a little skeleton of a mouse right there. Good for you. I was doing a whole bunch of work on my sills there and realized that there's a sill plate that covers that whole thing up. Let me grab that. I had forgotten about these aluminum plates. Are like a sill guard. Covers up this whole thing, so no matter how bad this looked, and this was really rotten and rusty, and I repaired it and I bondoed it and I patched it, and I was worried that it would be an eyesore when you open the car. But we've got this eyesore. Maybe we can clean that up and polish it a little bit, make it look really nice. I gotta see if I can get those dents out. That bothers me. But that'll cover up at least the body work part of it. And then I want to get in here and I at least want to paint the floors. The floors all got replaced and they've been coated with a truck bed liner, but it just looks kind of bad. So let's see if I can paint that up. You want to go for a walk? What do you want to do? You want to get in there? You want to go up in there? Oh, you do. Dirty dog. Probably going to eat my mouse. Still wants to go for a ride in the Nash, even though it's not ready in any way, shape, or form. So we've got a lot more sanding done. We've got a lot more to do. This whole side of the car now is in primer gray, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. A little more work on the lower rocker down here. I've got to smooth that out. So I might give it another coat down there and then block the whole thing again and then put it in sealer and then paint it and then put the glass back in it and then figure out where I put all my stuff that goes in the car, like the radiator, the bumpers, the trim, the headlights, the turn signals, everything. But it's going to be fun. What do you think, Stale? You want to go for a ride? All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking in on status on the Nash. And we'll see you in the next run. Next video should be coming out soon. I try to do one every day. I don't know if you guys realize that or not, but it's my what I call it, my thing of life, destiny, to film one car video per day just to keep you guys happy and satisfied. So Nash video for today. What will be tomorrow? We just don't know.